Hello, dear students of Colegio María Santísima, Caracas, Venezuela. Today's class is about common nouns and yes-no questions. Before I explain yes-no questions, it is important that you know the definition of nouns. A noun, in this case, we are going to talk about common nouns and the definition of a noun. A noun is a word that identifies objects, animals, and people. What you are looking at refers to a group of common nouns. For example, we have here a glue stick, a stapler. This is a ruler. We have here a lunch box, a school bag, and also called a backpack. We have a hat. In this case, this is a Christmas hat. We have a hairband, a masking tape. This is a beautiful scarf, a marker, an eraser, a pen, a whiteout, a wet wipe, a cat, and a girl. Okay, these are examples of common nouns. Okay, a noun, guys, becomes plural just adding an s to the end of the word. For example, in this case we are talking about a singular noun. In this case we have glue stick, singular, and plural is glue sticks. Okay, I add a letter s to the noun, to the final word, to the final letter. Okay, here we have a stapler, staplers, a ruler, rulers, etc. But in English we have, these are called regular nouns, but in English we have something that is called irregular nouns. Irregular nouns are nouns that get changed in the plural form. For example, when you say a scarf in singular, but when they refer to the plural form we have to say scarves. Okay, notice how the word changes. Okay, scarf, scarves. Okay, we have another example of an irregular noun. For example, knife. In this case, in plural is knives. Another example, leave, and in plural is leaves. Okay, mouse. Okay, mouse in singular, mice in plural. Okay, we suggest that the students study and learn these types of common nouns. Okay, it is important that you understand and know that in English we have regular and irregular nouns. Okay, now let's get started with yes no questions. Okay, yes no questions are, you have the definition here, they are a type of questions that just have two answers. They are affirmative or negative answers, and they can be singular yes no question or plural yes no question, and I will show you 4 examples. Example number 1, in the singular form we have here this picture, and the question is this a glue stick? And of course the answer is yes it is. Okay, this is the answer, this is the affirmative answer of a yes no question. Yes it is. And we have the number 2, is this a ruler? Of course it is not, so the answer is no it isn't. Okay, no it isn't. This is the affirmative and the negative answer of a yes no question in the singular form. The number 4 refers, the number 3, sorry, refers to a plural question. In this case is, are these scarves? And the answer is yes they are, affirmative. And the number 4, are these pencil cases? Of course they aren't, no they aren't, or you can also say no they are not. So in conclusion, guys, when we say yes it is, this is an affirmative answer of a yes no question. And when we say no it isn't, is a negative answer of a yes no question in the singular form. And related or in relation to the plural form, when we say yes they are, it is affirmative, and when you say no they aren't, is negative in the plural form, okay? So we have studied this in class. So we have this group of exercises that you will have to do in your notebook at home. They are not obligatory, they are not compulsory, but if you want to have a better grade in the test, okay, I suggest that you do it at home, okay? So we have, is this a lunchbox? You have the picture, just answer. If it's yes it is or no it isn't, okay? That's what you are going to do. Number 2, is this a pencil case? Look at the picture. Is this a ruler? We have the picture here. Is it a pen? Number 4. Number 5, you have this object. Is that an eraser? Number 6, are these staplers? Number 7, are they whiteouts? Number 8, are those pencils? Number 9, are these pens? Number 10, are they mechanical pencils? Okay, just answer these questions in your English notebook. Exercise 11, is that a masking tape? Look at the picture. The object is very far from the question. That's why we say that. Are those knives? Okay, they are far from the questions. Okay, so tell me if it's negative or affirmative. Number 13 is this an eraser? It is near the question. Is that a leaf? The leaf is far from the question. Is that a girl? Look at the picture. And are those scarves? Look at the picture, okay? These are um, 16 exercises that you should do at home, okay? Remember, they are not mandatory, they are not obligatory. Just do it if you want it or not, okay? If you wish to have, or you want to get a better grade, please do it. Okay, so anyway, I am writing the following information. These exercises are intended to help the students to obtain a better grade in the exam, okay? They are not compulsory, okay? The decision depends on your parents if you want to do it or if you or not. It's okay. But anyway, they will be verified in class because maybe I am sure that there will be many students that will do this exercise, and that's the reason why I will verify them in class, okay? Well guys, this is all about this second lesson that was explained in class. I wish you an excellent weekend. See you next class.